Have you ever finished Salah and realized your body prayed but your mind was somewhere else? You're not a bad Muslim. Even the Sahaba struggled with focus in Salah. In this video, we'll talk about how to build Khushu in Salah, slowly, realistically, and with mercy. 1. What is Khushu? Khushu means humble focus before Allah. It's when the heart, mind, and body are present. Khushu doesn't mean your mind will never wander. It means you keep returning to Allah. Allah says in the Quran, "Successful are the believers, those who have Khushu in their Salah." 2. Khushu begins before Salah. Khushu doesn't start at Allahu Akbar. It starts before wudu. Make wudu slowly, with intention. Walk to Salah calmly, not rushed. Turn off distractions. Remind yourself, I am about to stand before Allah. Your preparation decides your concentration. 3. Slow down your Salah. Rushing destroys Khushu. Pause between movements. Give each position its right. Don't race to finish. The Prophet prayed slowly and calmly. Salah is not something to get done. It's a place to return to. 4. Understand what you recite. You don't need Arabic fluency. Start small. Learn the meaning of Surah Al-Fatiha. Understand Subhanallah, Allahu Akbar, Rabbi Ghafirli. When you know what you're saying, your heart naturally listens. 5. Pray like it's your last Salah. The Prophet advised, pray as if it is your farewell prayer. Imagine this is the last time you stand before Allah. Not fear, awareness. This thought alone can soften the heart. 6. When your mind wanders, distraction will happen. That doesn't cancel your Salah. When it does, don't get angry. Don't restart. Gently bring your focus back. Each return is an act of worship. 7. Be patient with yourself. Khushu is a journey, not a switch. Some days will feel deep. Some days will feel empty. Allah rewards effort, not feelings. Even struggling in Salah is a sign that your heart cares. Khushu is not about perfection. It's about showing up, again and again. Keep praying. Keep returning. Because every sincere Salah brings you one step closer to Allah. If this helped you, subscribe to Deenify for simple deen reminders. May Allah grant us Khushu in our Salah. Ameen.